How to use location-based alert in Trello mobile app. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can use the location-based alert in the Trello app. So to do this is very simple. Just follow me as I show you how to do so. So the first step, of course, is to log in into the Trello app or to open up your Trello app on your device. And then once you've opened it up, you'll be asked to log in. Ensure you log in. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you would see your bot. You'll be brought to your bot page automatically. Now you must note that to use the location-based alert in the Trello mobile app, you can enable the maps power up to add locations to your card. Okay, this feature is useful for setting reminders based on your geographic location, and here is how to do it. After you've opened up your mobile app, next thing is to go to the board where you want to use the location based alert. Okay, for me, um okay, this is the board that I'll be making use of. So after selecting the board and the board has loaded, the next step is to enable the maps power ups from the board's menu. And to do that, go to the top right corner, click on the three horizontal dots, click on the power ups, and then you can see the power ups available. Now currently the um map power up is not available for me because I'm currently using the free version of the Trello app. But if I was using the premium version, you would see the maps power up. Just click on it to enable it. And then once that's been enabled, you will be able to add locations to individual cards. All right, by editing the card and selecting the location field. Just go ahead, enter in the location and everything. And then once you're done, after entering or adding a location to a card, you can now set reminders to notify you where you arrive at or when you leave the specified location. Okay, so that is it. It's very simple. Just follow these procedures and then you would get it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.